Shubh Deepavali, everybody! Deepavali is my favorite festival as it brings joy to everyone's life. Wishing everyone a bright Deepavali, as bright as the light of diyas, and may you make unforgettable memories this day. Before Diwali, almost 15 days before Diwali, are specially decorated.
I am with Mrs. Namita. She's running this beautiful stall. I think I'm not the right person to tell anything about the specialities she is having. I think she can tell it better. So, Mrs. Namita, please show us something really special.
Okay, so basically, these are the things which we get more from vendors, and we finish them ourselves.
Alright, so she's saying that she's getting them raw and the rest of the part is all her hard work. Look at them. Look at them. How beautiful. And really hats off to you. Something else you would like to tell
we
people?
have this Shubhlab also with us. You
Okay.
can put it at your workplace or at the entrance of your house. We have this Gayatri Mantra here. Again, this can be put up at your workplace or at the entrance of your house. Even outside a small temple if you have at your place,
Okay.
it can be put up there also.
So what is the significance of this?
Basically, it is meant to, attract good vibes.
Here we can see all sorts of grave images of the Indian gods and goddesses. That
Here he is the one who is running this beautiful stall. So Mr. Daud, for how many days did you come here? Okay, he's coming for almost 15 days before Diwali. तो आप कुछ अपनी pieces की cost के बारे में बताइए सबको. Okay, 110 rupees is the starting, I think, which is quite good enough for such beautiful and elegant pieces. Just have a look. These are the ones which everybody needs for Diwali.
special preparations being done in the market.
ये कितने का है मैम?
ये 100 रुपए
100 रुपए का. और भी है आपके पास?
ये 50 रुपए
कौन सा वाला?
50 रुपए
ये 50 रुपए का. ये किस लिए यूज करते हैं हम दिवाली पे?
पूजा करते हैं।
पूजा क्यों? इसमें मतलब क्या करते हैं हम पूजा में?
हाँ जी, ये लक्ष्मी गणेश की पूजा होती है, दिया जलाते हैं इसको।
ओके, लक्ष्मी और गणेश जी का दिया जलाते हैं इसमें. ठीक है. और इसको बोलते क्या है मैम?
इसको हटनी
हटनी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. और भी है आपके पास?
हाँ जी।
दिखाएंगे. और
ये फैंसी हटनियाँ हैं।
ओके, वाओ, दिस इज सो गुड. और ये कितने का है?
ये मैडम जी
150 का. ठीक है, ठीक है. और ये नीचे जो आपके पास दिए पड़े हुए हैं, ये कैसे हैं आपके पास?
ये 50 रुपए का है।
ओके,
ये 10 रुपए पीस है।
10 रुपए पीस.
इधर 30 रुपए
ठीक है.
दर्जन है।
ठीक है मैम, ठीक है. ठीक. Here you can see my diyas. I got so many more also. But we can't be using these diyas just like that. You have to take the diya and dip it in water. There is a specific reason. You can check out the bubbles. See the bubbles. See the bubbles. See the bubbles which are coming out. This is the reason why we are doing all our diyas in water, because it will directly is this, that I feel like I should wish you happy Diwali now only. You never know that this photo shoot is going to take me 2 hours, 3 hours, and by that time I think Diwali will be finished. So, happy photo shooting to me.
People worship goddess Lakshmi and god Ganesha on the eve of Diwali. God Ganesha is thought to provide us all with wisdom and intellect, while goddess Lakshmi showers us with the wealth and prosperity.
जय गणेश देवा, अंधन को आंख देत, कोड़िन को काया, वांजन को पुत्र देत, निर्धन को माया। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। लक्ष्मी जी की आरती। जय लक्ष्मी माता, मैया जय लक्ष्मी माता, तुमको निष्दिन सेवत हरि विष्णु धाता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, उमा रमा ब्रह्मानी तुम ही जग माता, सूर्य चंद्रमा ध्यावत नारद ऋषि गाता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता।
ये कितने का है?
ये सिर्फ 1 मिलियन का है।
आपको कितने देने थे मैंने?
साइड में पड़ा
ये
है।
करो।
1 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर चाहिए।
ये 1 मिलियन।
मुझे 1 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर चाहिए। जाओ लेके आओ 1 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर।
ये लो, ये 1
It is a grand festival in India, and as per Hindu mythology, it is considered that Lord Rama returned back to his house in Ayodhya on this day after 14 years of exile. And in order to celebrate his homecoming, we light up our houses. It is considered that Goddess Lakshmi visits our houses on the day of Diwali. So to impress Goddess Lakshmi so that she may shower that wealth and prosperity on all of us, we clean our houses, then decorate the houses with those beautiful fairy lights. We being elders have a great responsibility towards the next generation. We really need to teach the next generation that Diwali is not only linked with bursting crackers. Yes, we can do it in a limit, but don't overdo the thing, because there are other ways of enjoying this festival as well. The children, they really enjoy puja. Then they can always help their parents in decorating the houses, in making rangolis, and enjoy that lavish feast. I really hope that this Diwali you would have lighted up somebody's life and heart. Diwali, or as the common saying, any Indian festival unites us all. So, on this kind note, I really wish you once again a very happy Diwali, guys, and looking forward to a more special bonding with you all. Until the next video, bye-bye.